Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Microsoft Paint tutorials. How to launch Microsoft Paint in Windows 7 systems. Microsoft Paint, which is also known as MS Paint. This is a basic graphics drawing program and a image or photo editor available in all versions of Microsoft Windows operating system. This consists of various tools including brushes, shapes, pens, and erasers to draw and edit the graphics. To launch MS Paint in Windows 7 systems, there are multiple ways. Click on Start button, select all programs, click on Accessories. From here we can open Paint, and in another way, again click on Start. In search field, please type Paint. No need to type full name, just type PA and it will show the application in programs category. Similarly, we can create a shortcut on desktop for this. Right click on the Paint, navigate to Send to and select to desktop, create shortcut option, and we will get the shortcut for MS Paint on desktop. Simply double click on this to launch the application, and we can also pin this application to taskbar. For this, right click on this application. From the options, please select to pin to taskbar. Then we will get the application on taskbar. We can click on this anytime to launch the application. Not only this, from run command also we can open this. Hit window key and R key from your keyboard simultaneously, and in run window please type MS Paint and click on OK to launch the application. But if you type simply Paint in run command, we will get a warning, Windows cannot find Paint. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again. After this, let's open the file explorer and type Painter MS Paint and hit enter. Then it will launch the application. Similarly, to launch this, click on Start button. In search, type CMD and open the command prompt. Here please type MS Paint and hit enter, and it will launch the MS Paint application. Like this, we can launch Microsoft Paint in several ways in Windows 7 systems. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.